Hi guys, Reptile Kid 2012 here, and I'm just going to be showing you our new reptile racks that we made. You can just buy this thingy at Walmart for $15, and then you can use whatever substrate you like in it. Right now we don't have anything in it except for paper towel, but we are going to the reptile show September 9th. And we will be purchasing leopard geckos, and that's really all that we might be getting. But we don't know what size leopard geckos. I really want adult leopard geckos, but last time I went to the reptile show, I ended up coming back with only one gecko because they were mostly baby geckos for sale. So this time I'm just gonna buy whatever I really need, a sunglow, an albino, and don't really care the size. I prefer adult, but if I can't find adults, then yeah. So, thanks for watching, comment, subscribe.